Remember the talking computers in science fiction movies? We used to think of artificial intelligence, or AI, as something straight out of Star Wars. But guess what? AI isn't science fiction anymore. It's here, and it's changing the world around us in amazing ways. From the way we shop to the way doctors treat diseases, AI is already making a big impact. And this is just the beginning. AI is like a rocket ship that has just left the launch pad. We are about to witness an incredible journey of innovation and progress. AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's the reality of today, and its potential is limitless. Join me as we explore the fascinating world of AI and how it's transforming our lives for the better. Healthcare is one area where AI is making a real difference. The integration of artificial intelligence into medical practices is transforming the way we approach diagnosis, treatment, and patient care. From the moment a patient walks into a hospital to the time they leave, AI is playing a crucial role in ensuring they receive the best possible care. Imagine a world where computers can help doctors diagnose diseases with incredible accuracy. This isn't a distant dream, it's our current reality. AI systems are capable of analyzing vast amounts of medical data in seconds, providing insights that would take humans much longer to uncover. These systems can identify patterns and anomalies in patient data that might be missed by the human eye. Well, that world is now. Hospitals around the globe are adopting AI technologies to enhance their diagnostic capabilities. These advancements are not just limited to large urban hospitals, but are also reaching smaller rural healthcare facilities, ensuring that more people have access to high-quality medical care. AI-powered tools are being used to analyze medical images like X-rays and MRIs, helping doctors detect diseases like cancer earlier than ever before. Early detection is crucial in the fight against cancer, and AI is proving to be an invaluable ally in this battle. By identifying tumors and other abnormalities at an early stage, AI is giving patients a better chance at successful treatment and recovery. But AI in healthcare goes beyond just diagnosis. It's also revolutionizing the way we treat patients. From personalized treatment plans to advanced surgical procedures, AI is making healthcare more efficient and effective. For instance, AI can analyze a patient's genetic information to recommend the most effective treatments, reducing the trial and error approach that has traditionally been a part of medicine. Surgeons are now using robotic systems guided by AI to perform incredibly precise surgeries. These robotic systems can make incisions and perform tasks with a level of accuracy that surpasses human capabilities. This precision is particularly important in delicate surgeries, where even the smallest mistake can have significant consequences. These robotic surgeons can operate with a level of dexterity that surpasses even the most skilled human hands. They can perform complex procedures with minimal invasiveness, reducing the risk of complications and speeding up recovery times. Patients who undergo robotic surgery often experience less pain and scarring, and they can return to their normal activities much sooner. This means faster recovery times and fewer complications for patients. The benefits of AI-assisted surgery are clear: shorter hospital stays, reduced healthcare costs, and improved patient outcomes. As these technologies continue to evolve, we can expect even more advancements in surgical care. And it doesn't stop there. AI is also transforming other areas of healthcare, from administrative tasks to patient monitoring. For example, AI can help manage patient records, schedule appointments, and even predict patient needs, allowing healthcare providers to offer more personalized and timely care. AI is being used to develop new drugs and therapies at an unprecedented pace. The traditional drug development process is time-consuming and expensive, often taking years and billions of dollars to bring a new drug to market. AI is changing this by streamlining the research and development process, making it faster and more cost-effective. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI algorithms can identify promising drug candidates and predict their effectiveness. This allows researchers to focus their efforts on the most promising compounds, reducing the time and cost associated with drug development. AI can also help identify potential side effects and interactions, improving the safety and efficacy of new treatments. This is revolutionizing drug discovery and bringing new hope to patients with previously untreatable diseases. With AI, we're on the brink of discovering new treatments for conditions that have long eluded medical science. The future of healthcare is bright, and AI is leading the way, offering new possibilities and improving the quality of life for patients around the world. Manufacturing is another industry undergoing a major transformation thanks to AI. The integration of artificial intelligence into manufacturing processes is not just a trend, it's a revolution. This revolution is reshaping how factories operate, making them more efficient, productive, and adaptable to changing demands. Factories around the world are becoming smarter and more efficient with the help of AI-powered systems. These systems are capable of analyzing vast amounts of data in real time, optimizing production schedules, and even predicting potential issues before they arise. This level of intelligence allows factories to operate at peak efficiency, reducing waste and increasing output. One of the key areas where AI is making its mark is quality control. Traditional quality control methods often rely on human inspectors who can only work so fast and may miss subtle defects. AI, on the other hand, can work tirelessly and with incredible precision. Imagine an AI system that can inspect products on the production line with superhuman vision, detecting even the tiniest flaws. These AI vision systems use advanced algorithms and machine learning to identify defects that are invisible to the human eye, ensuring that every product meets the highest standards of quality. That's precisely what AI-powered vision systems are doing in factories today. They are revolutionizing the way quality control is conducted, making it faster, more accurate, and more reliable. This not only improves the quality of the products, but also enhances the overall efficiency of the manufacturing process. These systems can spot defects that would be impossible for the human eye to catch, ensuring that only the highest quality products reach consumers. By catching these defects early, manufacturers can avoid costly recalls and maintain their reputation for quality. AI is also transforming maintenance in manufacturing. Traditional maintenance methods often involve waiting for equipment to fail before fixing it, which can lead to costly downtime and lost productivity. AI is changing this by enabling predictive maintenance. Instead of waiting for equipment to break down, AI algorithms can predict when machines are likely to fail. By analyzing data from sensors and other sources, these algorithms can identify patterns and trends that indicate potential issues. This allows manufacturers to address problems before they become serious, reducing downtime and extending the life of their equipment. This allows manufacturers to perform maintenance proactively, reducing downtime and saving money. Proactive maintenance not only keeps the machinery running smoothly, but also ensures that production schedules are not disrupted, leading to more consistent output and higher customer satisfaction. It's like having a crystal ball that can see into the future of your machinery. With AI-driven predictive maintenance, manufacturers can plan their maintenance activities more effectively, ensuring that their equipment is always in top condition and ready to meet the demands of production. This forward-thinking approach is helping to build a smarter, more efficient future for the manufacturing industry. Section 4. The personalized AI's impact on retail. Have you ever noticed how online retailers seem to know exactly what you're looking for? That's AI at work, personalizing your shopping experience. AI algorithms analyze your browsing history, past purchases, and even your social media activity to recommend products you might like. It's like having a personal shopper who knows your taste better than you know yourself. But AI's role in retail extends far beyond personalized recommendations. Retailers are using AI to optimize their inventory management. By analyzing data on sales trends, seasonality, and even weather patterns, AI algorithms can predict demand with remarkable accuracy. This helps retailers ensure that they have the right products in stock at the right time, reducing waste and maximizing sales. Section 5. AI in finance, a secure and profitable future. In today's rapidly evolving financial landscape, the integration of artificial intelligence is not just a trend, but a transformative force that is reshaping the industry. The financial industry is embracing AI with open arms. This technology is being adopted at an unprecedented rate, driven by its potential to enhance efficiency, accuracy, and security in financial operations. From detecting fraud to managing investments, AI is transforming the way we manage our money. The capabilities of AI extend far beyond traditional methods, offering innovative solutions that were once thought impossible. One of the most significant applications of AI in finance is fraud detection. With the rise of digital transactions, the risk of fraud has increased, making it crucial for financial institutions to adopt advanced security measures. AI algorithms can analyze millions of transactions in real time, identifying suspicious patterns that might indicate fraudulent activity. These algorithms are designed to learn and adapt, becoming more accurate over time. This helps banks and credit card companies protect their customers from fraud and minimize their losses. By leveraging AI, financial institutions can respond to threats more quickly and effectively, ensuring a higher level of security for their clients. AI is also revolutionizing the way we invest our money. Traditional investment strategies are being enhanced by AI's ability to process vast amounts of data and identify trends that human analysts might miss. Robo-advisors powered by AI are becoming increasingly popular. These platforms offer a convenient and cost-effective way for individuals to manage their investments without the need for a human advisor. These automated investment platforms use algorithms to create and manage investment portfolios based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. They continuously monitor and adjust your portfolio to optimize returns and minimize risks. It's like having a personal financial advisor available to you 24/7. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, AI-powered tools can provide valuable insights and recommendations tailored to your unique financial situation. Beyond fraud detection and investment management, AI is also being used to enhance customer service in the financial sector. Chatbots and virtual assistants powered by AI can handle a wide range of customer inquiries, providing quick and accurate responses. These AI-driven tools are available around the clock, ensuring that customers can get the help they need at any time. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also frees up human employees to focus on more complex tasks. The implementation of AI in finance also involves significant advancements in data management and analysis. Financial institutions are investing in robust AI infrastructure to handle the vast amounts of data generated daily. Data scientists and engineers are working together to develop sophisticated AI models that can predict market trends, assess credit risk, and optimize financial operations. These models are continuously refined to improve their accuracy and reliability. As AI continues to evolve, its impact on the financial industry will only grow. Financial advisors and institutions that embrace AI technology will be better positioned to offer innovative solutions and stay ahead of the competition. In conclusion, AI is paving the way for a secure and profitable future in finance. By harnessing the power of AI, the financial industry can achieve greater efficiency, security, and customer satisfaction, ultimately leading to a more robust and resilient financial ecosystem.